Alright y'all, so today we're working on a 2012 Nissan Altima. All I'm going to do is change the oil in it, and just going to be a little quick little video for y'all out there that don't know how to change oil. What you're going to do is you're going to take off your passenger front wheel, and then you're going to take off your plastic shroud right here. It's got a few clips that hold it on. There's a couple over here too. And of course, here's your oil filter. And then when you get down here, I want to say it might be a 13. Let me go ahead. Just a second. It's a 14 millimeter. So your right here's your oil pan. Toward the front of it. I don't know if I can back up and see. And your bolt to drain the oil pan will be right there. And then, of course, once you get it drained, and what I do is before I drain it, I always pop the top to help it get some airflow. Pop it there, pull a stick. Okay, y'all, so first off, she's down while she's still finished draining. Your bolt's gonna have a seal on it. It should. Make sure you don't lose that seal. It needs to stay on there. While you're in, might as well check your belt for your tensioner and all that, and all your pulleys. So make sure it's not dry rotted. Let me get up underneath here and put this on, then we'll pop this up. We'll pop this oil filter off. If I can think of the word here. Still leaking a little bit. Yeah. Get her wiped off there. I don't even know if y'all can see what I'm looking at, but cleaned off and tied her down. And then we'll come back to snug her down. These are easy to strip out, so you don't want to overdo it. Good. All right. One thing I don't like about these is how they damn fall right over the damn fucking frame rail when you pull that damn oil. All right, now we got that off of there. Let it drain for a second, and then we'll, of course, when you take a rag, wipe it up. You'll take your new filter. Some people do this, some people don't. But I always like to, I'll go with some fresh oil on the seal and just pour a little bit even in down in there, just so it has a little bit in there when you started. It might make a difference, it might not. I've just always been told to. So we're gonna pour just a dab down in there. And I'm gonna take my finger and put it down in there. And just rub that seal and get it real moisturized. My bad. Get some threads. Over here. Pop all that gunk off there. And with these, what you want to do is you want to hand tighten these. Make sure when you put them on that your threads are not, they go on smooth, they're not crisscross. And then you just want to hand tighten these mugs. And that's pretty much it. After that, you want to fill her up. Takes about, I'd probably put about 4 quarts in it, and then I'd let her set for a minute. And then even start her up, and then I would let her run just for a second, check the fluid on her, and then see where you're at, and then if you need more, then just add more. But that's how you change your oil on a 2012 Nissan Altima 2.5.